Procrastination. We all face it. That frustrating circle where you know what needs to be done, but you keep putting it off. Days, weeks, even months can go by without progress. But here is the thing. Procrastination isn't just a bad habit. It's often tied to deeper emotions like fear, perfectionism, or feeling overwhelmed. If you have been struggling to beat procrastination, you're not alone and you're not hopeless. The good news is there are simple, practical strategies that can help you break free from procrastination for good. In this video, I'll share 7 powerful steps that are not only easy to follow, but also guaranteed to help you get things done, stay productive, and feel more in control of your life. Stick around until the end because I have a bonus tip that can transform the way you approach your goals forever. Before we dive into these life-changing steps, I need you to do 3 things. Hit the like button, subscribe to help us reach 1,000 subscribers, and drop this comment with the number 1111. I am ready to overcome procrastination. These will enable the universe to come in and help you get rid of procrastination from your life. Now, let's dive in. The first step in overcoming procrastination is understanding why you are doing it in the first place. Procrastination isn't just laziness. It's often rooted in deeper psychological factors like fear, perfectionism, or even boredom. For example, are you avoiding a task because it feels overwhelming or too difficult? Are you afraid of failing or not meeting your own high standards? Or maybe the task itself feels boring or meaningless and you'd rather distract yourself with something more enjoyable. Understanding your specific reasons for procrastination is crucial because it allows you to tackle the root cause instead of just the symptoms. Ask yourself, do I feel unprepared or unsure about where to start? Am I avoiding this task because it challenges me? Is it possible that I'm just bored or unmotivated? Once you know the why, you're halfway to finding the solution. The second step is to break your task into smaller, manageable steps. One of the biggest reasons we procrastinate is because the task feels so overwhelming. Your brain looks at the entire mountain and decides it's easier to avoid it altogether. But what if, instead of focusing on the whole mountain, you focus on just the first step? Breaking a big task into smaller, bite-sized pieces makes it more approachable and less intimidating. For example, if your goal is to write a report, don't think about finishing the entire report. Start with the smaller steps like research 3 key points or write a rough outline. The key is to give yourself small wins. Each step you complete builds momentum and motivates you to keep going. Step 3 is the 2 minutes rule. This is one of the simplest but most effective strategies to beat procrastination. The idea is simple. If a task will take less than 2 minutes to start, just do it immediately. Here is why this works. The hardest part of most tasks is starting. Once you begin, you often realize it's not as difficult as you thought. Starting also builds momentum, which makes it easier to keep going. For instance, if you're putting off exercising, just commit to putting on your workout clothes or stretching for 2 minutes. If you're procrastinating on work, commit to opening the document and writing the first sentence. More often than not, you will find yourself continuing far beyond the initial 2 minutes. Step 4. Create an environment that makes it easy to focus. Let's face it, distractions are everywhere. Social media, notifications, cluttered desk. All of these can pull your attention away from what matters. To beat procrastination, set yourself up for success by removing distractions. Turn off notifications, put your phones in another room, and tidy up your workspace. A clean, organized environment can do wonders for your productivity. But it's not just about physical distractions. Mental distractions can be just as disruptive. If you have too much on your mind, try writing down your thoughts in a notebook to clear your head before you start working. Step 5 is to use deadlines and rewards. Deadlines create a sense of urgency that forces you to take action. But here is the trick. They don't have to be real deadlines. You can set your own deadlines, even for tasks that aren't urgent. To stay motivated, pair your deadlines with rewards. For example, if you finish a task by a certain time, reward yourself with a break, a favorite snack, or some downtime. This taps into your brain's dopamine system, making you more likely to stay on track. Step 6 is to use the Pomodoro technique. This method is perfect for staying focused without burning out. It's simple. Work for 25 minutes, take a 5-minute break, and repeat. The breaks helps keep your mind fresh, while the work intervals keep you productive. You can even use apps or timers to make this process easier. Over time, you will train your brain to associate focus with short, manageable bursts. Finally, step 7 is to visualize your future self. Imagine how amazing you will feel when you've completed your task. Think about the pride, the relief, and the satisfaction of crossing things off your list. Visualization is a powerful tool because it connects you emotionally to the outcome. When you focus on the rewards of your hard work, procrastination becomes less tempting. This brings us to the bonus tip. Find an accountability partner. Let me explain why this works so well. Procrastination thrives in isolation. When it's just you and your task, it's easy to rationalize delays or avoid the work altogether. But when you involve someone else, everything changes. An accountability partner is someone who checks in with you regularly, encourages you to stay on track, and holds you responsible for the commitment you've made. These could be a friend, a family member, a colleague, or even an online accountability group. For example, if you're trying to write a book and share your progress with your partner every Friday, knowing that someone is expecting an update can motivate you to stay consistent. But here is a key point. Choose someone who is supportive but firm. They should encourage you when you struggle, but also call you out when you are slacking. Mutual accountability works even better. If both of you have goals, you can motivate each other to keep going. And don't underestimate the power of online communities. If you can't find someone in your immediate circle, there are plenty of forums, social media groups, and productivity apps designed to connect you with like-minded individuals who are working on similar goals. By involving someone else in your journey, you're far less likely to procrastinate. Remember, when you feel stuck, your accountability partner can help you get back on track. Congratulations! You've just learned 7 simple yet highly effective steps to overcome procrastination and take control of your life. Let's quickly recap. Number 1. Understand why you procrastinate. It's the key to addressing the root cause. Number 2. Break tasks into smaller steps because small wins build momentum. Number 3. Use the 2-minute rule. Just start, even if it's small. Number 4. Create a distraction-free environment. Focus thrives in simplicity. Number 5. Use deadlines and rewards. Set goals and celebrate progress. Number 6. Practice the Pomodoro technique. Short bursts of focus can do wonders. Number 7. Visualize your future self. Connect emotionally with the rewards of your efforts. And don't forget the bonus tip. Find an accountability partner. Procrastination is much harder to tackle when you go at it alone. Having someone in your corner makes all the difference. So, which steps will you start with today? Remember, the journey to beating procrastination starts with a single action. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start now, no matter how small the step. If this video resonated with you, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with someone who might need it. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more life-changing content. Hit the notification bell so you will never miss a new upload. Thank you for watching, and remember, you have everything you need to succeed. The time to take control of your life is now. See you in the next video.